Hello everyone, we are VJS Saw Industry Technology Jiangsu Co. Limited. Today, we're showcasing a video of our metal ceramic cold cut saw, blades cutting in action. You can see how they cut solid stainless steel bars. The cut is smooth and clean, burr-free, virtually spark-free, doesn't blacken, and doesn't deform. It boasts high cutting efficiency and a long service life, truly achieving cold cutting, stability, and durability. We focus on the research and development and production of high-quality saw blades, supporting customization and wholesale. Welcome to contact us for cooperation.